Hi, in this tutorial, we will view how to configure behavior settings on the panel. Begin by opening the web interface using Google Chrome and logging into the website. Once on the dashboard, locate the panel configuration at the menu on the left. On the Settings tab, scroll to the bottom of the configuration. In the Behavior Settings section, you can enable or disable the following. Anti-passback. When enabled, a valid card is required for entry and exit. The card holder must use the card in the proper in and out sequence. That is, a card swipe at an in reader must then be swiped as an out reader, or vice versa. Free egress. When enabled, the panel will automatically configure inputs 1, 9, and 13 to act as egress inputs for doors 1, 2, and 3 respectively. If disabled, those inputs 1, 9, and 13 can be used as general inputs. Detect duress. This configures the output that triggers when a card holder enters a duress pin number at a keypad or card reader. A duress pin is the pin number a user enters at a keypad when being forced to open a door. The card holder enters a pin that is either one number higher or lower than the correct pin number. This pin number will open the door, but it will also trigger the designated duress output and proceed to trigger an alarm event. Continuous card reads. Enables continuous card reading while the output is being energized. When the option is not enabled, a reader will not be able to read the second card during the pulsing of the output caused by the previous card read. Password expiration. When enabled, password expiration will be based on the last time a user's password was updated. The password is good for 180 days. When disabled, the system does not check for password expiration. Reverse LED color. This identifies the color of a reader LED when a grant is authorized. When this parameter is enabled, the LED should be solid red and then turn green after 2 seconds. Web Session Timeout activates a web session timeout after a specified period of time has elapsed. You can define the period of time either in minutes or in hours. The minute range can be between 3 and 59, or in hours can be between 1 to 12. Once the settings are configured, click Save. We will get a message that says Successfully Saved on the top right corner.